Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore default settings in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Click on settings and now choose which settings you want to restore to default. If you want to restore all settings to default, you'll need to go to each one of them. I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, let's go to controls and go to gameplay, and to restore gameplay in controls to default, slide down to the very bottom, and at the very bottom of each tab you can find reset tab. Click on it, then click on reset tab, and now gameplay in controls was reset. Now you can go to interface, and if you want to reset it, scroll down and click on reset tab, and now it's reset. Let's go to sensitivity and do the same, reset tab, then let's go back and reset graphics, scroll down and click on reset tab. Now I'm gonna do the rest of it. And now I've reset all of the settings, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.